Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, let me introduce myself. My name Laila Liatul Fadila from class B. Okay, today I will explain how to make a LinkedIn account from beginning until you have an account. So, let's see at the tutorial.
First, open the LinkedIn website in Google. Then, if you don't have an account, click Join Now at the top in website. On this page, you are required to fill in your first name, last name, email address, and password. Then click Agree and Join. Click I'm not a robot. In the next page, fill in country and postal code. After that, click Next. If you're still a student, click Yes. Then, you must require to fill out your profile education. And click Continue. On the next page, you must confirm your email with the code. Before you type a code, open your email and copy the code for confirmation LinkedIn account. Then, click Agree and Confirm. Your LinkedIn already created. Then, click Add Photo Profile and choose your photo profile for LinkedIn account. Click Save.
Okay, thank you for watching and I hope this video